Welcome to BIM Show Live 2015. This is the 5th edition of BIM Show Live. What we have here today, 750 delegates, 50 exhibitors and sponsors, many of the leading figures from across the whole supply chain collaborating as one.
You've got a whole mix. You've got people coming completely new, fresh into it, as well as those more experienced users who are looking for that competitive edge or how to do something different or how to do something better.
It's a really good 2 days of meeting and greeting lots of people, catching up, learning a load of really useful stuff.
We're quite interested in kind of getting a bit more involved in the community and also just seeing the new technology that's out there as well.
The quality of the information that's on the stands actually is huge. It clearly shows there's momentum growing behind the industry.
It evolves year on year. If you're wanting to understand what's going on, it's a great place to learn.
Here there's people from every discipline, but you get that mix that you just would never get at day to day.
A lot of people come into the stand and think, oh, you didn't realise you could visualise it in 360 collaboratively.
People are now starting to see all the pieces of the jigsaw come together. We know what we need to do now.
This technological change is about a behavioural change programme, making the magic happen for our clients, for the government departments, and indeed for ourselves in industry.
It's about collaboration. We're all here and we're all learning from each other.
You can see here every new tool or software or hardware.
For us, it's just the environment, it's the latest knowledge, it's the up-to-date information that we can gain from that.
It's just great to see the current technology and tools and to share lessons with the rest of the industry.
Great Portland's properties. This morning, we're just talking about how the clients actually use the information we give them. That's something that I would never have had an opportunity to get anywhere else really, not even from our own clients.
It really is a tool to actually saying, here is a problem, how can we solve it?
I think having a show like this helps put it all in one place so the senior management can come along and see that it's not just a fad, it's taken hold, it is industry-wide.
It's just a very open atmosphere with everyone wanting to learn and share ideas and collaborate with one another.
It's the best meeting of minds, it's the best way you're going to learn from the people that are actually doing it.
Be a few beers, I'm sure, catching up. We've bumped into 2 or 3 people that we know. It's always good to see old faces and meet some new faces.
Get to know other people with the same interests and do some networking.
In terms of BIM Show Live, you know that the format of it is such that no matter where your point of entry is, you can come and you'll get something that fits for you in terms of your journey plan.
I've been to a few shows, dotted across the country, BIM related shows, and this is by far the best.
The highlights are the seminars and meeting people, getting a chance to talk to the different technologies.
You're also seeing really interesting exhibitions about visualisation and make that a more interactive real-time experience.
Ask not what BIM can do with you, but what you can do for it really and how you can add into that.
There's always another new stand with a new idea, so I think it will just get bigger and bigger.
Coming to BIM Show Live, basically you're going to learn about every single stage of the process. You learn about what you need to do, when you need to do it, and how you should do it.
It's very good to talk with the experts from the BIM community.
It's all the right people in the right place. We'll definitely be back next year.
If you really want to start to learn things that you just would not have access to, this is the place to come and do that. It's only going to get bigger, that's for sure.
It's a big community out there and it's always good to see it come together.
I keep coming back because it's a fantastic place to come to.
You get left behind if you're not involved in the conversation. It really is the cornerstone now of the construction industry.
Basically, get on the train to Manchester and come next time.